G'day, Brett Bidwell from Solar Analytics with another tech tip video. Today we're going to be looking at CT wiring in the terminal block. For starters, I'll start with the 3 CT unit, which is known as our SC23. And you'll see that the white wire goes in on the extreme right. This is the common, and the pink wire is the signal. And same again for CT number 2 and then CT number 3. And it's always a good idea to mark both ends of the cable with a number to be able to easily identify your job. We go from there, and these are the Rogowski coils. So some of you will see these, and these ones are around the other way. The blue, the colour, is the common, and the white is the signal. I've also put the sheath in with the common. And you'll see also 1, 2 and 3 is numbered. Then we move on to the 6 CT unit. This one's a little bit different. Once again, you'll see that I've numbered them all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. For those of you who don't know Roman numerals, that's what I've used. And we'll see that the CT1 signal is on the extreme right, followed by CT2 and then CT3, and then the 3 common wires are included together. And then CTs 4, 5 and 6 are wired in the same configuration. So we have a pink, a pink, a pink, and then the 3 commons all together. Anyway, nice short approach. If you need anything else or if you've got any other questions, please email your request to support@solaranalytics.com.au. Thanks for watching.